and it's Adi. So today's video is winter essentials slash tips, few tips which you can use during the season. So winter is already here. It is amazing. I love the season. It's beautiful. It's really cold. In the morning it's really cold. In the afternoon it's a little sunny. But then in the night it's damn cold. So it's like amazing. I love the season. Anyway, so this video is all about the essentials for winter season and also some tips and tricks that work for me, so you can use it during the season. So without any further ado, let's get on to the video. Firstly, for people who put on a lot of makeup, do not use something which has alcohol or something which is drying your skin. I would suggest use the Himalaya Herbals Refreshing Cleansing Milk. Now this, I basically use this as a makeup remover and it works amazing. Now I suggest using this because it is like a creamy texture, so it does not make your skin dry. So once you're done with this, try using a face wash, a normal face wash. Also make sure not to exfoliate your skin too much, because a lot of exfoliation can also give a lot of dry skin, and the weather itself is drying, so your skin will have a lot of problems. So that's one. Tip number 2 for people during winter seasons, the most important thing is to moisturize yourself. And for people who really don't like, applying like first primer, then moisturizer, then sunscreen, something like that, you guys can go for a multi-purpose thing. Now this is the I'm using this Biotique Botanicals. Now this is a Bio Morning Nectar. It has an SPF of 30 with UVA and UVB protection. So this is for all skin types and it works amazing. It works for, applying this early in the morning, it goes for around like 5 to 6 hours, very good. And then later on I suggest you reapply it, but yeah, that's one nice product. And this is actually, this is cruelty free, and also it is completely natural, so it is amazing. So it does not give any side effects at any cost. So this is one. And the most important thing for what to do in the night, for the night routine, I would suggest make sure, at least in the winter season, make sure you'll have, what do I see that as? Make sure you'll have a night care routine sort of a thing, at least in the winter season, because it is the most, this is the only season where your skin dries really fast. It absorbs everything fast, it dries, it gets flaky, so having a night care is the most important. So the night care, the night cream what I use is also from Himalayas. Now this is their revitalizing night cream. This is amazing. It has a creamy sort of a texture, but it's amazing. It smells beautiful. It has white lily and tomato, so it's amazing. The next thing I have is taking care of your whole body. Now in the night, having night, for people who really don't want to invest in a night cream, y'all have the best thing. Now that is coconut oil. Now this is the normal parachute coconut oil what I have in my house, but yes, y'all can use olive oil, almond oil, pretty much any oil you want, and apply this all over your body, your ankles, your feet, and then do not forget to put on your socks, because you don't want to ruin your bed at least. So yeah, put on your socks and you're almost done. It will really hydrate your skin. And also using coconut oil you can also use it on your elbows, which are darkened elbows, and knees, pretty much your knees, your darkened areas. So keep applying it, it will lighten your skin. So that's the benefit of coconut oil. And the last thing I have is the most essential cardigan. Now I got the cardigan. Now I got this cardigan from, cardigan is really important. Now this jacket sort of a thing, this is important in winter season to protect your skin. Even though you apply so much, you really don't want the direct cold to hit you. I got this from a street shop and I got a couple of them. I'm not going to try on all these and show you to you guys. Eventually you'll see it on my Instagram, so make sure to follow me there. And bam, this is my account. Yeah, so this is my jacket is very important. And that's it. That's all the essentials you need for winter. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're new, make sure to like this video and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you guys next Saturday. Bye.